I'm here in San Jose at the new Brocade headquarters to tell you about an intriguing customer relationship we've struck up with the greatest scientific research project in Europe, Cern. Cern began in the 1950s as the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Today, it is also known as the European Laboratory for Particle Physics. It is one of the world's most prestigious research centers. This business of fundamental physics, colliding protons in a monumental effort to discover what makes our universe click, is a data-intensive process. We are proud to announce that Brocade's products, including the MLXE, will now be an integral part of Cern's data center. So now let's take you to the heart of the matter, to Cern headquarters on the Swiss border near Geneva, to meet David Foster, who's the Deputy Department Head of IT at Cern.
Cern is the European Organization for Nuclear Research, and our mission is the understanding of the structure of matter. So we're here really to understand what is everything around us made of, what is the universe made of, and also what are the things that hold the universe together, what are the fundamental forces of nature. The LHC experiments that are recording the results of these collisions can be considered like very large cameras of 100 megapixels recording 40 million photographs per second. The total data that is generated within a detector is around a petabyte per second. Far too much to record. So what we have to do is we have to filter it down, removing all of the non-interesting events and only sending to the computer center events at the rate of a few hundred megabytes to a few gigabytes per second. The total data generated by the LHC experiments is around 15 petabytes per year, around 3 million DVDs. And if you watch these DVDs, if they contained a film of an hour and a half, that would be 500 years of continuous viewing. As the data comes into the computer center from the LHC experiments, it has to be processed not only at Cern, but also at our sister organizations around the world. This forms part of what we call the worldwide LHC computing grid. And for this, we need very high performance networking, both for international transfer of data and also on the Cern site. The MLXE will enable us to satisfy a number of different criteria. The flexibility of the box will enable us to reduce the number of different types of equipment we're using. The power consumption will be reduced because we'll be able to reduce the number of boxes due to the very high port density of the MLXE. And with the advent of the 100 gigabit per second interconnects, we'll be able to reduce the amount of operational infrastructure that we need to manage and maintain. Overall, all of these will mean that the Brocade MLXE will enable us to have a very powerful, very flexible, and very green infrastructure.